Is your keyboard's backlight the last step in your gaming setup? And it has been working, but now it suddenly stopped. I have the solution for you. So you have a few simple solutions, and if they don't work, we have some complex ones. So we start by increasing the brightness at first. Maybe your brightness is too low for the backlights to show. If this don't work, you'll find the key related to the backlight. So it's usually either F5 or F9 or F11. In my case, it's F9 and it should work. If this still doesn't work, you will go to the search bar and search in Device Manager. So after you're in, you will locate the keyboards and expand it. Here you'll find multiple options. You will find the one that you're using and right click it, then click on Update Driver. So after you're updated, it should be all set. But if this also doesn't work, the last solution for you is go to the search and type in CMD, go to the command prompt and paste this command and click enter. After this, it will take you to this page and you'll click on advanced, then click next. After it finds the problem, you will click on troubleshoot and then restart your PC, then it should be all fixed. That was it for today and I'll see you in another video, stay tuned.